It is time to hit the road for a one-tank trip, and today David Moss is taking us to a place in Mahoning County where you can learn a skill to unleash your creativity.
They call it a weaving and fiber arts delight, an explosion of beautiful gifts, and a great place to learn. 3 Sheep Gallery is a one-tank trip. There are times when we can all use a creative outlet. 6 years ago, Linda Shevel thought it would be great to have
a place for women to come and knit and make things and sell things.
So she opened 3 Sheep, a gallery and workshop for creating handmade clothing and gifts.
We do a lot of weaving and sewing, spinning, knitting. You can take classes here. We make clothing out of our woven fabric, and so that's a very unique thing. Not many people do that.
And when you come here to weave, what can you expect for a first-timer?
We offer a 2-hour session where you come in and you weave on a floor loom that's already warped, so it's already prepared for you. All you need to do is pick out a few colors, and within 5 minutes you're weaving. It's very intuitive.
And age doesn't matter when it comes to weaving.
You can be 5 years old or you could be 85 years old, and it's a level playing field because everybody brings their own creativity to it and their own eye.
I have a daughter and a son, and they were 6 and 9. I came the first time by myself, and when I came home with my weaving, they're like, "Mom, where'd you go? What did you do? That looks cool." And they wanted to give it a try, so I brought them, and they had a blast. I mean, they didn't want to leave.
I love the conversation and the atmosphere. I have met so many incredible women.
The 3 Sheep Gallery also offers a full-day retreat where you can bring a few friends, relax, and let your creativity shine.
Oh, I tell people all the time that they need to come here.
If you have any little bit of creativeness in you, you need to come and try this place because it's a definite gem within our area that I'm so glad that I found.
You might not think you're creative, but I said if you can like match your pants to your shirt to your socks, you can weave.
Be ready to be amazed because you're not going to see any other place like this.
Creativity is down the road, and best of all, it's just a one-tank trip away. David Moss, Fox 8 News.
Well, thank you, David. So the 3 Sheep Gallery is just a short trip east on the Turnpike to Boardman. It's just south of Youngstown, and if you want more details, directions, links to the one-tank trip today, you can go to our website, fox8.com. I do have to beg to differ with her. I'm sure eventually it gets easy, but you guys, I tried my hand at weaving once. It is a complicated process when you're first starting it out, but it's neat. It really is soothing.
Shirt, pants, socks, you're good to go.
I think they're just very talented.
Oh,
Yeah, I think
so.
that's what it is.
Good
but
stuff.
I think it'd be cool for anybody to try it out.